Making art together. This is the perfect project because kids love it, so parents and teachers, you're going to want to save and share it. Come in first with acrylics and watercolors to make a really fun, vibrant wash of paint. Keep it light and bright. It's really cool because you can use neat tools like squeegees, toy cars, and sponges, and it will turn out great. The next trick is to rub oil pastel on the back of any printout, and voila, it will turn out in a really cool drawing. We teach this full process in our portrait class. If you'd like all the tips, say draw down below and we will send you our free guide because you're gonna love making projects just like this. As always, have fun with your media like soft pastels, colored pencils, paint pens, whatever you have on hand. Follow along for more tips and hacks. We can't wait to see what you create. Teddy is working on his cobra right there. Okay, you're adding gold. We found some gold Sennelier pastels at the art store, and they are really cool. So we're gonna do oil pastels. You can do your animal portrait in soft pastels or oil pastels. We're gonna do our dog in soft pastels, but the snake, because we had gold, we will do with the oil pastels. And we teach its full process in our portrait class. So I'm gonna come, we do the animal portraits. I'm gonna come in with those dark areas. It's probably too dark. Let's try a little bit of brown. It's richer. And then a little bit of black, and then rub it together like that. The cool thing about pastels is that you can like dab in different colors like purples, blues, browns into your darker tones, and it kind of brings them to life a little bit. So you just dab it, and then you can come in and just kind of lightly blend it like that. And look how 3D it got. And again, if it got a little out of control, you can just perfect it with your colored pencil in there and stay true to your drawing. And to become more 3D, you add in those like lighter highlights, just like you keep building it up, and it will become more 3D like that. You like how it smudges together?
Yeah.
Wow, that you're right. That is really beautiful.
Cody.
You're Cody?
Thank it.
All right. And if you go over your sketch, you can carve back in with your colored pencils. We have all the supplies for this in our Amazon shop. See, look at how that looks really sweet. Okay, again, we'll come in with the gold.
I need to go. I need a little pen.
Gold.
I need to
Very nice. Yeah, get in there. Looking good. I see a tiny bit of blue in the eyes, so I'll work on the eyes a bit. Ooh. Oh, you're smudging. I like that. That's the best thing about pastels, the smudging. Dun, da, da, da.
Dun, da, da,
Looking
da.
good. Let's keep working on it. Oh. Nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of.
Well, gorillas are usually all black.
Yeah, but
This
their
one
fur
isn't.
reflects light. You know what that means?
What?
There's color in a whole bunch of it because their fur reflects the light. So go like that, make the fur.
I need a black.
Dun, da, da, da. And Finn is adding colored pencils.
It looks like a gorilla now.
Your gorilla looks great.
Can
Over
stop
there.
coloring.
Okay, so that's where you want to put your gorilla?
Yeah.
All right. Mark your corners.
Mark the corner.
Tape your top edges.
the top edges.
Yeah. You're not letting me touch this one at all? This is your gorilla?
Yeah. but
Yeah?
You can touch it actually.
I can touch it? Can I show you a trick? So if you turn your pencil to the side like this in big black areas, like that, it can make a different kind of mark. See, it's like shading. So it's a mix of shading and lines. Thank you for letting me show you that. Oh, I like that.
Make it spray.
Mm-hmm.